Hello and welcome to this new video on how to be anonymous on Reddit. So if you're new, subscribe, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming for the videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Reddit application, which is available in both Apple Store as well as the Play Store. And when you are inside Reddit application, on the top right corner there is a circular icon and there is an avatar of yours. So you just have to click on that icon and you just have to click on the profile or your username. And when you click under the username of yours, there will be an anonymous browsing on the pop-up box that has appeared. So you just have to click on the anonymous browsing and a new interface will be opened in your device. So now you can browse anonymously without any fear of anything. So due to some privacy and security reasons, the anonymous interface is not shown to you and only the black screen is shown to you. So this is the proof that the Reddit has an very good anonymous browsing system. So this is how you can easily be anonymous in Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.